Hey, yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. I just got back from the beach. All right, I'll do it. I gotta cover 10 things that I learned with building a saltwater cart. I'm gonna do this really fast because I'm actually flipping the cart. I'm selling it. The guy's gonna be here in 5 minutes. So I got like 5 minutes to make this video. So here's the cart right here. I gotta tell you some things about this cart. I'm gonna lift it up during the entire video. First, this on Amazon for $150. I'm selling it within 5 minutes for $150. These are hard tires. They do not work on sand. Don't even attempt to take these hard tires on sand. The quality of the cart is okay, but if you put this on a 2-inch receiver, it's going to fall apart. The welds are very different. This is very, very, very shaky. Also, the placement of these rod holders, right? Let's talk about those. This is where, if you wanted to make this a 4-wheel, this is where you'd want to put the axle. These rod holders need to be on the outside. So after I was thinking about cutting these rod holders off, I said I might as well just build this cart from scratch. So what I did is I 3D printed some parts. I got excited. I made this really cool, this fish design to hold 4 chairs. There is what I cut it out of. I used old stop signs to cut it out of on my plasma cutter. Here's the other problem. It's too low. It absolutely needs a lift kit. You can't really do anything with the big tires unless you have a lift kit. Okay, another thing is the quality of the aluminum. This aluminum isn't that thick. If you build it yourself and use a cargo cart, which is recommended from Harbor Freight for 500 pounds, this is recommended for 150 pounds, you're gonna get a lot more secure bang for your buck. Another thing is there was no angle bracket right here. You look for rivets for bolt. Another thing is, and I think I'm doing 10 here, but I'm out of breath because I'm 50 years old. So another thing is, the quality was weird. These handle grips were kind of misplaced. It's kind of like from China, but it wasn't. It also wasn't Amazon Prime, so I couldn't return it. So get one that you can actually return. What I did get out of it is I 3D printed some really cool things for this cart. I printed little holders that go inside of here that can hold up a rack system. What I learned on the forum is that if you're gonna add weight to this cart, try to use PVC. You can glue it in all different areas. Another big thing that I'm gonna leave with you is either design this as a beach cart for your family or a fishing cart. It's very hard to do both. When you're fishing, you need to be serious about fishing. So me trying to pack 4 chairs inside of this cart really wasn't successful. So even with the new cart that I'm building with a Harbor Freight cargo cart and 4 big fat tires, another project that I 3D printed the axles with, which I'll link both the part that I did this for and the part of the axles for my fiber tires down below. But the thing about that cart is it holds more capacity for it. This cart, my big huge takeaway is think about what you're going to be designing. It is something that you could lose some money on. I'm gonna sell this. I lost the money in the metal, but I learned something new about the 3D printing this bracket. I got that. And I have a really cool fish design. So if you need a bottom of your cart design, just send me the dimensions. We'll figure out maybe cost of materials for the aluminum. This is 1/8 inch aluminum, the stop sign. I can cut it out of regular and I can ship it out to you. Anyways, whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Peace out.